How to do bicycle crunches. Must try of exercise. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Bicycle crunches are a fantastic exercise for sculpting your ABS and strengthening your core. Here's how you can master this effective move. Starting position. Lie flat on your back with your hands placed lightly behind your head, elbows pointing outwards. Lift your legs and bend them at the knees so your calves are parallel to the floor. Movement. Lift your shoulders off the floor, engaging your core muscles. Bring your right elbow towards your left knee while straightening your right leg out, as if pedaling a bicycle. At the same time, twist your torso so your left elbow moves towards your right knee. Alternate sides. Continue alternating sides in a smooth, controlled motion. Remember to exhale as you twist and contract your ABS. Focus on form. Avoid pulling on your neck with your hands. Instead, use your ABS to lift your shoulders off the floor. Keep your movement steady and deliberate to maximize effectiveness. Repetition. Aim for 12 to 15 reps per side to start, gradually increasing as your strength improves. Incorporate bicycle crunches into your workout routine to challenge your core and build abdominal strength. Your commitment to fitness is key. Keep pushing, and you'll see the results you desire. Remember, your support keeps me motivated to share more tips and exercises like this. Hit that like button and subscribe for more inspiring content.